Step aside. That was the old me. I was a Nutella addict and everyone knew about it. So much so that they even brought me Nutella jars as gifts for my birthday and for various other occasions. So I read the labels and I decided to tweak it a bit and make it in my own kitchen. So today we are making homemade Nutella with just 2 ingredients. If you're new here, don't forget to for more delicious and healthy recipes. So yes, we are making homemade Nutella. Nutella, potato. There's just 2 ingredients. The first ingredient is 1 cup of hazelnuts. Don't you just love hazelnuts? So first is making hazelnut butter. It's the same process as making peanut butter. If you want a step-by-step guide, then here is my link. So first let's toast the hazelnuts over some heat. Let's get started. So you need to just toast 1 cup of hazelnuts. So we toast the nuts in order to really intensify that rich nutty flavor and to draw out the natural oils. So this is a great tip if you want to use nuts in any of your recipe. Okay, so let's just let it cool for a bit. And then we'll add them in the blender. Make sure you're using a sturdy, strong blender like a 4-blade one. I'll leave you the link of the one that I'm using down in the description below. This already smells so nice. So let's just keep pulsing it first to a powder and then I'll show you as we go. So this is what it looks like. It's a powder form now. I feel this is a bit warm, so just let it cool in between so that it doesn't put too much of the load on your blender. It's it's still in powder form, but it's going into that the process when it's releasing the oils. If you've seen the video of how I make the peanut butter, you'll know. So I'm just going to skip that entire process and go to where we are to the final stages of the hazelnut butter, okay?
Keep blending in the mixer till it goes from powder to cookie dough till liquid consistency.
So this is the last one. It's perfect. Can you see? Let's just let this cool and let's head over to our second ingredient. Second ingredient is chocolate. So make sure you're using some good quality chocolate, maybe even your favorite one. Make sure it's not too dark because it's going to directly affect the sweetness of your Nutella. Today I'm using some vegan Belgian chocolate by Inavo.
I love this chocolate. You may be using a chocolate which is vegan and not even know about it. Just scan through the ingredients and check for milk solids, whey or casein.
So that's about 100 grams of chocolate and I'm just going to chop it up into smaller bits. You need to now melt the chocolate. You have 2 options. You can either melt it in the microwave or you can use a double boiler. For that you just need to put some water in a pan. And add another bowl on top of that into which you will be adding the chocolate. Make sure the bottom of the bowl does not touch the water.
Be careful not to burn your chocolate. Just make sure that it is melted enough and mix.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's perfectly melted. Make sure to use some kitchen towel so that you do not burn your hands like me. Let's just mix the chocolate with the hazelnut butter and give it a quick blend.
Scrape off all the chocolate from the pan into the hazelnut butter. Make sure you don't waste any of that delicious chocolate. If there is any, don't forget to lick it off.
I you always tempted to eat while baking or cooking? Or is it only me? Okay, let's give it a good blend. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh, this is so good. Just make sure that at the bottom, if there's any hazelnut butter left, you mix it with the rest. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh, I want to cry. It's so good. Let's transfer it into a jar. It's so good. It's so good. Want to give it a quick taste. So good. So good. Okay, I'm not going to cry for camera.
Use a sterilized jar and make sure there is no moisture or water so that it does not affect the shelf life of your homemade delicious Nutella.
So good. Look how good it is. Oh my god. This is too much. Oh. It's so good for gifting someone or just a treat for yourself in the middle of the night, just like a tablespoon. I cannot tell you how many jars of Nutella I've consumed. I had to actually tell everyone to stop gifting me because it was getting too unhealthy and all the sugar rush was making me crazy. So this is great. It has lesser amount of sugar. Just be careful of your portion control. You can use it in your baked goodies. I would use so much of it in everything that I ate, even hot chocolate. If you don't believe me, watch this. Oh, and before that, take it easy with this Nutella. Stay healthy and strive for balance. Little at a time.